Okay guys, hi. Okay, now that I've clearly mastered baking, obviously you guys have been a part of the journey. I feel like it's time for me to master being a mixologist. So today I'm gonna be making rosé wine that already comes in a bottle with prism powder. Okay. People are like, oh my God, that's so sad. She's drinking, glittery wine alone in her apartment in a maid of honor's dress. Don't feel bad for me. Feel bad for my parents. Remember that. Okay. First, I'm just finding the prism powder. Oh my God, we have so many options. I'm just going through my sprinkle bag, seeing what we got, Rose quartz pink. All right, we're gonna have to do a jar shot of this later outside because she looks gorgeous in direct sunlight, just like her mother, tourmaline pink. How do we elevate this cocktail? Like, how do we bring it from here to here? Easy, we line the rim with baby's corner. That's right, bringing it back to the back to school blends. Okay, so I thought that I knew how to line a cup with stuff like they do with margaritas, but turns out I don't. But guess what? We use Google. So basically what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a wine glass. Something's buzzing. You're just gonna need to get a gorgeous clean glass of just glass. Cool. Then we're gonna get baby's corner because she's so pretty. And we're gonna use her to line the rim. Is that what it's called? And according to our friend Google, you can use maple syrup, I think, or honey. So we're gonna try that right now. Hold on, I'm gonna get some stuff. I keep my honey in here. Where do you keep your honey? They didn't really say how to do this, but I'm just gonna put some honey on a plate. I'm gonna just try and turn it on into the honey. Okay, I feel like this could be my greatest creation yet. Like, I feel like Martha Stewart's gonna call me after she sees this and she's gonna be like, do you wanna come on my show? I'm like, Martha, I can't. We're gonna put some baby's corner on a plate. I mean, I just love looking at her. She's just living her best life on a plate. Hold on. There she is. Okay, now that we poured this, I'm gonna take our lined glass. Okay, and then I'm just gonna see what happens. Is it working? Well, this is a new move. I've never done this. I'm overall very impressed with myself. I really feel like my standards for myself are very low in the best way possible. Like, I aim high and I'm okay with not getting as high. I mean, this looks pretty freaking good. I feel like I'm just growing in 2020. I can't get over this. This is a genius idea. I can't wait to get drunk. Okay. Then we need to pour some of the gorgeous prism powder, rose quartz pink, into the bottom of the glass. Easy. You would think. I'm kidding, it's easy. Also, have your wine ready to go. Who was drinking milk? Okay, so then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna open up your prism powder. As I tell my mom, honey, you look good. So you're just gonna do a little tap, 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 just a little tap, 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 tap. Then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to open your wine. Next step in making a cocktail is you just simply pour the liquor into the glass of wine because that's what you do. The pros say you wanna do it at an angle, but first, always make sure it tastes okay. Tastes pretty good. I think this is gonna be a pretty good cocktail. What? We're bringing her outside. And that, my friends, is what life is about. It's just the simple pleasures. I could look at that image for hours. All right, and now we do what we do best. The sugar on the rim of the wine. You know how sometimes like rosé is a little, got that little like, ooh, at the end of her. This like kind of takes that away. But the honey too, for some reason, the sugars with this is so good. You guys, I don't wanna brag, but at my sister's wedding, my maid of honor speech kind of got a standing ovation. I mean, nobody stood up, but I could tell that they wanted to. We're back. I'm just gonna start putting sprinkles on the rims of stuff. Let's also try it with the crunchy Jimmies. We're gonna pour these guys onto the plate too. Just for the fun of it, I just wanna see what happens. Oh my God, I also definitely feel the effects of this wine. So Chandler, what did you do today? I don't know, just lined rims with sprinkles. What did you do? Do you guys hear the construction? Are you guys building something cool? Or just like a building? Nobody's answering me back. which is fine. They're probably gonna hear me over their drills. Speaking of mini timeout, look what I got. I don't know how to work it. Oh, the battery's not in. Hold on. Oh. All right, we got our battery. Construction. I'm like, how do we get on this topic? Hey, you want to drill with that glass of wine? So you got your drill in one hand. You got your lined glass of sprinkles. What else does a freaking human being need? Everybody's like, oh, we need so much to survive. Do we? Do we need that much to survive? I'm surviving. I feel great. I'm gonna bring it to a bar with me. Like, oh, I'll just take a martini. Oh, you don't know how to make one? Don't worry, I do. Also, do you lime it with sprinkles? Or, oh no, this is just my drill. So the moral of this story is Fancy Sprinkles products are just absolutely killing the game. We got Prism Powder, we got Jimmies, we got a Baby's Corner, we got chocolate balls. Thank you so much for watching. Mazel tov to the bride and groom. We're all so happy to be here. L'chaim. Okay, love you guys, bye.